Hey, what's up, guys? AMC. A lot of you guys are probably panicking. It doesn't seem to want to break out of this triangle, but I don't think we have a huge deal. You see, it just reacted, actually. We just reacted to the demand zone, and it seems to be reacting really well, as you can see right there. It is annoying, though, that it's taking so long to break out of this pennant. I do know that once we break out of it, we should head over to all-time highs, or at least the 68.57 level. But like I said, we're watching SoFi, Tau. I don't know if you guys if you guys haven't followed me on StockTwits, we caught this fastly same formation, pennant formations. Those are corrective waves, and we got a nice 11-point move up from here. If you guys haven't checked it out, we posted this on our StockTwits before it happened. So if you guys want, I'll usually put it up there as well, but you know, you got to keep up to date with it since my main focus is really my Discord. But we also long Torch. If you guys are in Torch, I know a lot of you guys like these types of pennies or meme stocks. So Torch, it actually hit the demand zone yesterday, and we got in at 485, and it reacted right to our resistance level right here for a total move of 20%. So that was a nice catch too. What are you guys watching? Are you guys watching anything? SoFi is another one that's really looking nice. I am in this right now as well. We have the pennant formation here. These are corrective patterns, which means that it had a move up, and then now it's just consolidating before another breakout. More active on Discord or StockTwits? I'm more active on Discord, and it's free. I mean, I post up the stuff, you know, here a lot of the time. I'll you know, SoFi looks good. See, it's free. I do have a private alert, which I do post here. The charts, 22% gain, 21%, stuff like that, but a 30% loss. AMC, I put it. QS actually worked perfectly. Tesla, actually, yeah, Tesla, we're going everywhere, but Tesla, I actually think we have a short opportunity. I know that's not what a lot of people want to hear, but I do think we're not finished correcting. We're actually in a supply zone right now. If we could get towards the top of the supply zone, near the 700, 691 level, I'll probably short it. My Discord is actually in the description within this video. And if you guys don't know, I actually own this Option Suite platform too. PDD, Joseph Bargo, good stuff. PDD, we actually caught that one. Huge move, and it was amazing. I think we ended up it was entering a demand zone right here, PDD, and it reacted perfectly. It was also on the calls or puts platform. There was golden sweeps for it, and that's why I say, you know, you got to make sure that you have a bunch of confluence within your trade, because I saw PDD enter the demand zone, and I also saw it on callsorputs.com. So I was like, okay, like a whale is definitely taking this, and I really liked it. PDD was a nice one. Did you play it yourself, Joseph? Right out of demand, we got a 7% move. So you guys already know with contracts, that's for my contracts, I think 25%ish. If I held it, I probably would have had way more. However, I did play like a month out. So what do you think about QSIOY? PDD Square Coin? JD was nice laterally. I'm not sure if I actually had it charted. No, I didn't have it charted, but it just broke out of this this downtrend corrective wave. Chinese stocks been doing quite well. Like I think JD, you had I think Baidu, I think it was. Yeah, Baidu just hit a demand. Baidu is actually a nice trade right here if you guys are into it. But give yourself some time on the contracts. I know a lot of people love yeah, TRCH is moving. TRCH just hit a demand level, and it reacted 20% out of our levels. Again, this was alerted on our Discord. Buy to open TRCH yesterday at 4.85, reacting to the demand zone, as we said here, and we got the perfect reaction, as you can see right here, prior to the move happening. And this is what happened today. So It's a good trade, but I heard they have, again, I'm a technical trader. I don't really know what they released. They released some news about a share offering or something like that. I'm not too sure. Papa Bull, do you know anything about that? That might affect the stock price, because I was going to sell a covered call on it after I got in just to make sure I lock in profits, but the TD Ameritrade said that I can't because of some share offering or some split. I don't know. Are you trading options of stocks? Yes. Yes, I am. Snap is good, but I do see a pullback coming. So this is my stock, my Snap chart, Francine. So we just finished this corrective wave. I think it's a wave 4 correction. This should be wave 1 of 5. Again, this is all this is from the Elliott wave analysis. If you guys don't know what the Elliott wave analysis is, it's basically, I wouldn't say it's an indicator, but it's a strategy that is based off of market emotions and you know, where the institutions are actually loading up shares, and how things correct itself. If you want to learn more into it, there's a guy on Twitter, Corneck. He's really good. Corneck Trades. He's really good. So if you guys are interested in learning about the Elliott wave, that would be a good place to go. I'm actually learning about it myself. And I think I'm doing pretty all right with it, combining it with technicals. But I do think that we have some supply over here, and we should head back down for a correction before the most explosive wave that should take us above $80 on Snapchat. I thought TRCH did share option already. It's supposed to merge with new ticker. Oh, is it supposed to merge with a new ticker today? Oh, yeah, I don't know. When I try to sell the covered call, the broker told me something like about preferred shares and outstanding shares, something like that. And I was a little confused myself. But again, I only trade technicals, and it worked out quite all right. Tilray, wheat stocks, not too interested. What are you guys looking at today? I'm actually looking for a new trade. The one I am in right now is SoFi. I really, really like this setup. We have an inside bar right here. Again, actually, I always say on Benzinga, if I catch a trade live, like we did with AMC, because AMC, we had the other demand zone over here, I believe it was, that we announced. And I was like, if you guys remember, make sure to come check us out every single time we appear on the show. So I hope I gain more fans, because usually I'm at the 6:30 p.m. EST. No, wait, 6:30 p.m. EST to 7 p.m. EST. So if you guys don't know of me in the morning show, now you guys know. SoFi is a trade I am watching. So if this works out according to plan, make sure you guys come check us out every 6:30 Thursdays on Thursdays 6:30 p.m. EST. If we get this right, come check us out. I do think that we're at least headed to this level right here. I am in contracts for, let me double check. I am in contracts right now for SoFi for August 20th, 20 calls. They're in the money so that I don't get killed too much by the Greeks. But I do think that we're going to have a nice move up here. So approximately a 7% move up. But with contracts, you guys already know it's going to be a lot more. Workhorse, we actually caught this. We took a lotto play. As you can see here, we were consolidating. This is a pennant formation as well. Again, no lies. Options alert. Buy to open. Workhorse. Lotto breakout pennant play, as you guys could see here. It was alerted yesterday at 1:13 p.m. and we actually broke out and started moving today. But it was a great trade. It took a little while. The thing with pennants is that, you know, they could consolidate for a long time. Consolidation periods are terrible, just because, well, actually it's not terrible if you could catch the bottom, but sometimes you could have complex corrections and it just stays stagnant for a long time. I mean, look at AMD. AMD's been within these two zones like forever, bro. It's been here since freaking July of 2020. Just up, down, up, down. I mean, if you, again, you know, if it's consolidating this obvious and you take, you know, whenever it ends up inside of the demand zone, you could get a nice return, as this is close to, I believe it will be like a 20% move. Yeah, it's a 20% move, so it's not bad at all, but it's just a little annoying to be within the chop unless you get a breakout. But then again, you have multiple 20%ers. So can you check out Indy reversal, reverse hammer? Jesus Christ, look at the wicks, man. You have huge wicks. This doesn't have much history, so I can't really it could potentially be a sort of demand zone being formed over here, but there's no technicals because there's not enough time. And we're under everything that we've ever been, based off of. Just getting wicked from the top and the bottom. So you don't really have anything here. In the semiconductor. What is this about? Talking about semiconductors, TSEM, this thing. Look at that. What a freaking move, man. Semiconductors are doing pretty well just because of I guess, the shortage. A 20% move from demand zone. I wish I took this trade. I didn't take this one, sadly. Probably a wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's probably a wave 5 here. I'd probably look. This is a 1, 2. I want to get into TSEM as an investment, but it is up 5% today, so we don't enter when it's already up so much. The thing with demand zones that are amazing is because you're getting in after it dropped like a significant amount. So like from here into demand was a 20% down move. So your risk reward is insanely high just because you're buying aka buying the dip. I would probably get into. I'll probably get into TSEM if we could make our way back down to this level right here. So if you guys want, you guys could take down the level. This is a trade I'm watching myself. I actually wanted to get in, but I guess I got preoccupied with the other positions that I didn't actually end up doing so. So I'll probably get in if it gets back down to this 27, which isn't a lot. I mean, if it comes back down from here, it's only a 4% move down. I will get it probably at the top. The alert is set already, so let's see. ATVI, yes, we do. Aladdin TV, we do have a signal channel. I was actually just talking about it. The workhorse play. Everything I take is in here with the levels. Tau, Fastly, 21% on PDD that we spoke about earlier. H-band, I think that's up like 7%. A loss that we took on gold. Everything's posted here, so 30% on Disney, workhorse. If you want, go check it out. Ooh. Whoa. What are you talking about? Well, alert just went off. TSEM didn't cross that, though. I guess it's just bugging out. ATVI. Sorry, I'm just going everywhere. ATVI and Twitter. I'll check those out. ATVI is a no for me just because this is a consolidation phase. I mean, it's not bad. You are near. If you are in this, what are you in, commons or options? Because if you're in commons, you could sit through chop relatively easy. We are in a demand level right here, and we just reacted off of it. So this isn't a bad trade. Who was it that brought this up? Juan E. I hope you're still here. I'm sorry, I'm just like everywhere. I'll probably set my stop around this 87.44 level. So I think it's a good trade. You're within a choppy phase. Options July. Like further out July, or you're talking like first week of July. It looks good, bro. It looks really good. Would I get in here? I actually, like me right now, I probably wouldn't. I would wait for retracement. The fact that it's up 2.41%, but if you're in the trade already, I think you're pretty good. I swing trade mainly. I usually look at the 1 day. And guys, if you guys don't like TradingView, bro, I used to only use TD Ameritrade, and I thought it was the best platform. But just I have 3 monitors here actually, and I thought TD Ameritrade was good, but TradingView, it's so simple that I really love it, and I changed to this recently. But anyways, Juan, ATVI looks really good. You're within a corrective phase, so you might see some chop. But if you got in near this demand level right here, I think you're pretty good to go. If anyone wants to take commons, put your stop loss beneath 87.44. I do expect to move above all-time highs once this corrective phase is over. July 16, not bad. 95. Are you up on the position already? The only thing I'll probably aim for here, I would take the thing that, I'll probably take profit at this 94.43 level. You're probably going to get it, tomorrow or something if we continue to do what we've been doing. However, you just got to be cautious with the market. I would take profit here to be safe. Obviously, you could go higher, but it's up to you. If I was trading commons, if anyone wants to get into commons, I do think that after this corrective phase is done, we could potentially go a lot higher. Watching closely. Good luck to you, brother. What are DMAs good to? I only have the 20 DMA. If we overcorrect or if we overextend, I usually look for a reversion to the 20 DMA. CCIV. People still looking at CCIV. Is there anything going on with this? Like is the whole? I think it was what was it Lotus? No, not Lotus. What was the car company that the electric car company that was Commons as in common stock? Yeah. What was the freaking electric car company tied to this thing? Like, did they actually like merge or no? Oh, Lucid. Yeah. Did they actually merge? This is a supply right here. So again, if you guys are watching this video, I just want to show you guys like how well these supply and demand levels work. So if we get a reaction out of this level, if you're in this trade already, CCIV, who said this? CCIV, the Wall Street guy, I believe, right? Yeah, the Wall Street guy. If you get this touch at this 29.38 level and then you see a rejection, just know that we called it here on Benzinga first. Supply and demand works amazing. If you guys don't know what that is, we teach it, but you don't need there's a bunch of books on it that are for free if you want. Volume price analysis is a great book. But it basically just shows you where the whales are coming in and where they're coming out. And actually, oh look, Tao is another one we're watching. And ooh, see, we alerted this into our demand zone. We think that the corrective wave just finished, and we should get a lot higher of a move. After it hit our demand zone, it went up approximately 26%, a strong reaction. We saw Tao on callsandputs.com. This is my platform, so you're going to get biased information from me. I love the platform. I made it so that it's the way I want it to be. And again, whoever asked for PDD, again, we have it here. Sorry, if you're looking through the stream, it probably looks like a huge blob of yellow and super bright. But I made this platform. And again, QQQ 350, look. See, we're already we're shooting up. Their spot price was 350.77. Someone bought a 355 call for July 2nd. $2 million. I don't know if it will get to 355. Actually, it's doable. But Chance AI, anything 1 and above are amazing. PDD, again, we have that here. Whoever was looking at PDD, we do think it's going to go higher. TA on FSL, let me check. Oh, FSL looks good. FSL actually looks pretty good. Let me see if there's any. 1 second, I'll do the TA on it real quick. There's a put, but again, look, chance AI is not at 1, so I don't even pay attention to that. I do think that we just possibly broke out. This is potentially wave 2 correction, so you actually acts at the perfect time. I do think this is a great entry. This could potentially even be, where the freak is the only thing I don't like about TradingView is like you should just put all of the drawings like next to each other. You could potentially have a head and shoulders here. After the corrective wave finish, you usually get a fresh start. So this is wave 1. If we were to draw this, again, I'm talking about the Elliott wave. So if you guys don't know what it is, check out Corneck Trades on Twitter. He's really good. Where would I enter this trade though? Let's see. I do think this is a good trade. I'll probably take this myself, actually. Wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave of the 5 impulses. So you're already looking at potentially a move that is, if measured from the wave 2 low, if that is the low, you're probably looking at around here. See, which it matches actually perfectly with TA because this is the next supply zone that we have. But again, remember, if you're trading options, and again, make sure you save all of this because if it happens just like we did with AMC, there were multiple trades we actually called on Benzinga at 6:30 p.m. on Thursdays. That's our usual time, but I have a flight to catch today, so we kind of moved it back. So you guys might not know of me, but we've called out multiple trades live on Benzinga, and it worked out exactly as planned. So I do think that FSL, who asked that, Jose Matos, I do think we're gonna get a move up to here. Obviously, it won't go straight up. You know, things don't just go up, but you can expect a move. So if you're looking at commons, then you could sit through this. I would probably place a stop loss around a pivot low. I'll probably place it underneath this 833 level. But I do think that we're gonna hit this $14 level. The reason it corrected so fast was because of all the hype. And then it just came right back down because everyone started profit taking, and you have fear, which is what the Elliott wave is based off of, emotions and whales. Green Star Trading, interesting. Elliott wave. Oh, nice. Entry and FSL. Depends, man. If you're trading commons versus trading, options, you obviously, if you're in options, you want to give yourself more time. Maybe go in the money to protect yourself against Greeks, or even sell bull put spreads, or you could buy a call debit spread that is farther out if you're looking for a more safety play. With commons, this is a 73% move from demand if it does happen. So, it's not a bad trade on behalf of commons either. But obviously with contracts, you'll get a lot more. You're not far from the entry because the entry would have been into demand. I wish you brought this up a little earlier, but you only, 12%. Well, to the stop loss, you're only 13% down versus a 73% move up. So I think your risk reward is pretty solid there. I really like SoFi though. We spoke about this. We are reacting right now. Hopefully it holds above this. I have my stop loss set if we go under 2071. As of right now, we're just having an inside day, but I do think that we're going to have a huge move up to this 2271 level. Tau I got out of today for I think it was only 11% because I didn't enter right at the bottom, sadly. My contracts only pay like 10 or 12%. I'm not sure. But it should hit this 27.52 again. We got some bullish call flow on Tau. We have a golden sweep on Tau. Okay, before I leave, let me know which stocks you guys are looking at so I can show you guys the sweeps if there are any golden sweeps on the platform for you guys before I go, since I only have 5 minutes left. So maybe this will help you guys out a little. Just spam the freaking chat with the stocks you want me to look at on the platform so I could just add it to my watch list. Sens, I don't know if Sens would actually have, maybe. Oh yeah, Sens has, but 2023 though. Sens, TRCH. I'm not sure. TRCH won't have options because, like I said, when I tried to sell cover calls on it, they told me I couldn't. So because of the whole thing. Tau, I got you. Tau, KO, Tesla, Apple. There's so many sweeps. All right, Wrap Technologies, Webcoin. Are you a cop? Because Wrap Technologies, I was in that a while back because they gave the Bola wraps. Used to be a cop here. So if you're a cop, you know, this looks good actually. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, this might be 4 itself. You might be good here for a move higher. This is probably wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But then again, Wrap Technology has been like up, down, left, right, you know, everything for like the past year. Oh, you're not a cop. Well, Wrap Technologies is the Bola wrap thing, I believe. So, all right, CLII, UAVS, CLII. I hope these things have actual options because some of these stocks don't have options, right? Snap, AI. All right, I guess that's it. KO, Tau, Apple, SNDL. Let's see. All right, so these are the sweep. Tesla sweeps are insane. There's no golden ones. Let's see if we could just add, just to see. All right, so Snap, both Snap and Tau are the only ones that got a golden calls. So let's see. But then again, I said Snap. We might get a retracement soon, so just be careful. According to the Elliott wave, we should be finishing a 5th wave here. We should get a retracement. Usually it goes to a wave 4 of a lesser degree. So we have over here as a potential entry. So watch this. I have my alert set, as you can see right here. They're both up though. Look, 66.75 spot price, 68.14 spot price. It's currently at 68.79. So again, anything with chance AI over 1 is pretty decent. So again, you have Snapchat at 109, Tau 25.49. And it's up again. Look, chance AI over 1, 25.74. But keep commenting which ones you want. We got 2 more minutes. I'll just put in whatever you guys have. See if we could potentially get any golden sweeps here for you guys. Golden is just our way of filtering. Again, I created this platform. It's just my way of filtering out because, okay, sweeps are free. So I'm pretty transparent with things like that. I never sell, you know, quote unquote sweeps. If you are a personal trader, you have access to sweeps for free on like TD Ameritrade. You can see a bunch of data. The thing with unusual option sweeps is that they filter out all the sweeps because what sweeps are just trades. So, you know, there's millions of trades a day. So all of that is useless information. What I usually do is filter out. So this is unusual option activity. If I were to turn off, you know, let's see. If I was to just go to all activity, like all of this, you're just looking at a blob of data. It's useless. You know, that's why I have the potential. I only look at the potential openings and then I pair it with technical analysis. And that's what, you know, getting confluence. It's not just volume because to be able to tell, you have to be able to tell which sweeps are potentially opening. And that's what I made the platform to do, because I trade for a living myself and I don't want to just sit through a blob of data and just like, you know, do that. All right, so guys, which one? Tesla already did. So ZS, I don't know if there's going to be a golden sweep for that. RAD, CLNE, Tesla, JD, there was a sweep the other day. Vail. All right, we gotta go soon. All right, that's it. What's the ticker for UiPath? The Wall Street guy. MVIS. Coin. There was actually a bearish sweep for that. All right, these are all the ones that you guys gave. So I'll actually take a screenshot of this. Oh, path. All right. Let me see. Yeah, there's none. I just take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. We gotta go. I'll see you guys next time. Again, the show is actually at 6:30 p.m. EST every single Thursday. You know, if you want to join our Discord or even look at the platform, it is in the link within the description. So thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys next time.